The 3 cases we identified yesterday. 5 of those 8 cases are from a known existing cluster which Health has been able to establish, and Dr. Chant will obviously elaborate on that. The remaining 3 cases of community transmission are all linked, and that source is being investigated by Health. Health has not ruled out also being able to establish a link between that new cluster of 3 people and also an existing cluster. It's also important to note that we anticipate during the day there'll be additional venues, additional locations, which we'll be asking the public to respond to. We anticipate that because we've identified these 8 cases, that a number of close contacts and family members could be found to be positive as a result. So it's really, really important for everybody to stay on high alert, look at the information which Health provides during the course of the day, and please react and make sure you take that advice. If you're asked to get tested and stay home for 14 days, please make sure you do that. If you're asked to watch for symptoms because you might be a casual contact, please do that. Do not take this lightly. We need to get on top of this. But as I said, we had 8 cases of community transmission, 5 of whom have been linked to a direct case. This is till 8 p.m. last night, and the balance of 3 are from the same source, and that source is yet to be confirmed and identified, but our health contact tracers are working obviously around the clock to make that happen. And again, I want to stress, we do anticipate there'll be further information during the day on locations, on institutions, on places where close contacts or casual contacts may have visited, or perhaps those who've been tested and may be suspected to also have acquired the virus. We really need the public to join us in staying on high alert. I also want to stress that on the basis of advice from Health, it's become apparent that some venues, some businesses are not doing enough to be COVID safe. It makes the job of our contact tracers that much more difficult if businesses aren't doing the right thing. And I have no patience anymore for people who aren't doing for businesses in particular who aren't doing the right thing. We've been extremely patient and tolerant to bring everybody on board, but we can't have a few people let down the whole community. And I can't say that strongly enough. Our patience in relation to businesses not doing the right thing is wearing thin, and we need to make sure that all businesses who say they have a COVID safe plan actually have one. And I ask the public to please support those businesses you know are COVID safe. If you book or turn up somewhere and it's not COVID safe or not to your standards, please do not use that service or that business, because we want to support those businesses, we want to support those institutions doing the right thing, but we can't support those that aren't doing the right thing, and it's really important from here on in for us to do that.